You are going to love the 2018 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.